Thinking about getting a foundation inspection? Let's dive into what the pros check to keep your home safe from the ground up. So, what do foundation inspectors actually look for? Inside your home, they'll search for common foundation issues, things like cracks in your drywall or foundation walls, and any signs of bowing basement walls. They're also on the lookout for smaller problems like nail pops, sticky doors or windows, and bouncy, uneven floors. Inspectors will walk around your house to spot any exterior issues. They'll check for cracks in the bricks, a chimney pulling away from the house, or uneven settlement. After the inspection, you'll get a detailed report on what they found to figure out the best solution for your foundation and your budget. Remember, foundation repair isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. A good inspector will guide you through each step of the process. Got any questions or concerns? Drop them in the comments below. And if you're seeing any of these signs at home, it might be time to get an inspection. Give Groundworks a call today.